A warm welcome to all of you. Let's discuss personal pronouns in Turkish language today. There are 6 personal pronouns in Turkish. First person personal pronouns are ben and biz. Ben means I, and it is first person singular. Next is biz. Biz means we, and it is first person plural. Alright? Moving forward, second person personal pronouns are sen and siz. Sen means you, and it is second person singular and informal. Informal means when we are talking casually to our friends, dear ones, or people who are younger than us. Alright? Next is sis. It also means you, and it is second person plural and formal. Formal means when we are talking to people who are older than us and we want to give respect to them. We also use sis to address people who have a higher social status than us. And we also use sis when we meet people for the very first time. I would like to add an important point here. We can also use sis to talk to a single person if we are being formal to that person. Alright? Continuing ahead, third person personal pronouns are o and onlar. O means he, she, and it. O is third person singular. Remember, there is no difference between he, she, and it in Turkish language. There is no masculine or feminine gender. We use O for all these three, he, she, and it. Alright? Next is onlar. Onlar means they, and we use onlar when we have third person plural. Okay? I hope you have understood Turkish personal pronouns today. See you soon. Take care.